So today we've got this car in. It's got little bumps and scuffs around it, but what we're going to be focusing on how to repair today is a textured bumper. So using the Q1 tape, which is one of the reasons I like it, it flexes around the corners nicely, keeps to the contour. And by doing that simple job, takes a couple of seconds, you're going to save yourself a lot of grief. Right, that's it. Now we can start sanding. And just to stop any sort of dust getting onto the rest of the panel, I'm going to use some premium masking drop film. This is great stuff, really simple to use. It's already got the tape on it, it just unfolds, as you'll see. Goes down, tape it around. If you were doing smart repairs, this is a nice, easy product. Just another option instead of paper. It tears really easily when you get it to the desired mount. Lift it up. It's got a bit of static to it, so it sticks to the panel, and it will draw anything away from the area you're working on. We've sanded it out, filled in the repairs, and what we're going to do now is we're going to key the area to prime it. Because I don't need to be priming up here, I'm just going to put a little bit of tape on that, just block that off. I like to keep the area localized, so with a little bit of 13 soft mill masking tape, wrap it underneath because we don't need any primer under there. Okay, so that's just going to give your car a little bit of added protection. Right, so a little bit of extra premium masking drop film just in that area. So we're going to now texture it. What we have to do is we have to put down adhesion coat. This is just going to help create a bit more extra adhesion here for when the fine text goes on and when the final colour. So when you've textured it and you're happy with the coverage you've got from the texture, it's very rough. It feels like sandpaper. You need to use just a little 800 on a soft pad. Just get that over, you can see how rough it is. And there we are. A nice retextured bumper corner.